Team, let's get a check on our forecast this Friday.
Weather impact alert for this weekend, Bree. We're tracking the risk for storms, but the timing of all this may work out. I know we've got a busy weekend with many events going on. We're getting into festival season here. Now, here's what I'm thinking right now is that Sunday morning is going to be the most likely time frame for you to see thunderstorms. We could see a few start to move in by Saturday night, but I really do think those early Sunday morning hours when we have heavy rain, we have gusty winds, lightning, and there could be an isolated tornado. Beyond that, Sunday afternoon is trending drier with a high of 79. And by the way, your Saturday, I think there could be a few thunderstorms, but they're not going to be widespread. So that's looking okay for the weekend. We just need to be weather aware Sunday morning. This morning, if you're down along the coast, you may hear some thunder, especially over in eastern St. Bernard. We've got a couple showers that are north of Buras and Triumph now, moving north through the Biloxi marshes. Those will continue to move north here out over eastern St. Bernard, and eventually we'll try to move up into South Mississippi around Hancock County. Outside of that, today is not a washout. For your Friday, I've got about a 20-30% chance of rain on average. Highs will be high in the 80s. Will be humid too. It certainly doesn't feel like March, so it'll be warm, muggy, and a good idea to have an umbrella with you. Today, the big active severe weather will be in parts of Oklahoma and up towards Kansas and Missouri. Unfortunately, there have been reported deaths from a large tornado yesterday up in northwest Oklahoma, so it is storm season. It's a great reminder that you do need that tornado plan. You never know when you're going to need it this time of year. So let's talk about the weekend and that tornado risk. It's not very high down here. We do have our storms here Saturday at 6 p.m. Rain showers, a couple around the region, but not a washout. But watch what happens. This complex and line of storms starts to move in very slowly Saturday night into Sunday. So here we are about midnight, and after midnight, we've got heavy rain moving through. These will be producing not only heavy showers, but also lightning, gusty winds, and maybe that isolated tornado risk would be right along the leading edge, but it'll start to weaken as it moves through, and then it'll be gone by around Sunday midday. So I think Sunday afternoon is looking to be drier. The risk for severe weather is certainly not off the charts. We're at a level 1 out of 5. That means an isolated severe storm, meaning most of those storms you see on radar are going to be just heavy rain with lightning, but occasionally one could produce a strong wind gust. One could produce an isolated tornado. That's what a level 1 out of 5 looks like. If it's a level 5 out of 5, then you expect severe weather. In this case, I think most storms are going to behave for us. So weather impact alert again, that's for Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon is looking drier right now. Saturday afternoon, hit or miss thunderstorms. Don't forget, timing can sometimes change, but that's the way it's looking right now. Monday and Tuesday are looking mostly dry as well. And then I've got another weather impact alert coming in by the end of next week, or by the middle of next week. I think late Wednesday into Thursday could be another round of storms. Timing with that has been shifting around, so it could still move around some, but that's the way that stands into next week. And look, your temperatures overall, for the most part, are in the 80s, a couple days with 70s mixing in there. Our marine forecast isn't looking terrible. It's a bit choppy out there with that southeast wind up to 15 knots. That's going to continue through today and tomorrow. They'll settle down some on Sunday. Your high tides and low tides are all over the place because our tide range is less than a foot. Your water temperatures at 68 now in the Gulf, 66 in the Gulf, and 68 in the lake.